Ki khubor ka bate se TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
U Dr. Lichumu Timuri, MBBS, MD Medicine, DM Cardiology. U Dr. Ubasumar Klong Snam Bat Kithit Snam. On Sdang Yakajing Sumar Naduka Shiterik Ulbeat Arajar Arfusan Hawallan Hospital Shillong.
Kawat kabaar uba Pius Marwen ula siya JBang kumu MDC jong ka Langren constituency ka jingpan mana ya ka result jong ka election siya ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kabalalong ka Arpsaw Trek uremphang arjar arpsan uba Pius ula job ya kani ka election da ka bayokhor khalai hajar lais pa arpsan vote but pelimlot ya ki saungot ki kertong ki bayakhon persya
chiết trong cái election thì mình tăng pli cái certificate of election bây đây bên cái election ta cả six Langren Council constituency. I returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency number 26 Langren in the state of Meghalaya hereby certified that 24th day of February 2025 declared Shri Pius Marwen of United Democratic Party to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted him this certificate of election. Thank you.
Anu yang boleh terangkat wala kerpu berdok bagi dalam nanti bat nampak kecil kerpu kecungu ngilayo ya kah jingjob hak ni kah election kebah mentah apa ini bekah district council election ngasim ro ya kah kabu naik kublai ya kinong Krishan be jong ke parti kibala Shania yang sai sien men penjong don brom ya keneka April Langren KHADC election pemerintah di ngai kuleru wajib itu kibam Krishan ru ya paro kinong snong jongka April Langren konsumsi bah nak tak jong kiru to boleh don kan bat ngin ya trelang nah kenta kakam apa yang jadi buat kejing nongkam apa deh apa konsumsi buat apa yang deh buat district council apa nak yang kejongangan lah cadai kumno banginnya lah buat nang penklan cicu nak kenta kejing nongkam apa yang deh buat district council.